2 years ago, I almost died. My appendix ruptured and I came very close to dying. And when I was in the hospital, every day I'd go to the window and I'd open up the curtain to look outside to see if the sun was shining. And if the sun was shining, I had this feeling, today's gonna be a better day. I'm gonna heal up, I'm gonna get better. And the thing is, when you come out to an event like this, when you come to a protest or an occupation, the first week is easy. The second week becomes more difficult. The rain comes the third week. The snow comes, the cold comes, the police come. There's not enough food, there's not enough money, there's not enough water, all these things. And you start to feel like you run down. But then you see sunlight in something. Sometimes you see sunlight in the sky, that's the easy one. But sometimes you see sunlight in the eyes of another person. Sometimes somebody says something kind to you when you need it most. Sometimes a clown will just make you laugh when you need it the most. And in this revolution that's taking place in the world right now, yesterday or 2 days ago, we saw the death of Gaddafi, and there was a lot of mixed emotions. People said, I don't want to see somebody being beaten in the street and see their brain blown off. That doesn't make me feel good. But then you say, you know, now a dictator is gone, and now more people can be free. And in life, we have these contradictions all the time. On one side, you see some pain, the other side, you see some opportunity, you see some joy. And that's what this song is about. It's a song that's about the sun. It's a song that's about appreciating life. And it's a song that says, here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Coming down. That's the sound, let me hear, of sunshine coming down. One more time. That's the sound of sunshine coming down in a marching drum. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. 1, 2, 3, Put your hands together. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to live today. And I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's as high as the times you're in. So I jump back in and while I learn to swim, try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. Here we go. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down, down, down. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2, put your hands together. I saw my friend Bobby, you say, what's up, man? You got a little work or 20 to lay. I opened up my hand, he said, I'm glad to see. They can take away my job, but not my friends, you see. And here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. Pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Put your hands up high, y'all. I wanna go with the summer never ends. When I get on the beach there with all my friends. The sun's so hot and the waves in motion. Everything smells like suntan lotion, the ocean, and the girl's so sweet. So kick off your shoes, I mean that's a beat. They say that miracles are never ceasing. Every single song needs a little releasing. Stereo puppet till the sun goes down. I only wanna hear that sound. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. J Boogie, play that guitar. when the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be with. When the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be with. When the sun goes down, you're the one I wanna be. I wanna see you jumping. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Let me hear you sing it now. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. I want to see you jumping, yo! This is Jules, y'all. This is the last time. I want to hear you sing out and jump in. That's the sound of sunshine coming down in Amsterdam. That's the sound of sunshine coming down on 100%. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. That's Jules on the guitar, Lisa on the vocals, Jay Boogie there. I'm Michael Franti. Thanks so much for being here. Don't give up the fight. And fight with love, fight with love, fight with love. Thanks, y'all.
Thank you so much.